I'm about to go jump into a field of chihuahuas and try to touch a wall, so I'm going to get my energy up by snorting lemon stuff. I plan on it hurting like a son of a so. Other nose. God! Oh my God! Oh, that gets your energy up. God! No. I'm Fat Whiteboy, and this is stage 1 of the Fat Whiteboy Chronicles. I'm gonna jump into this here yard of chihuahuas, and I'm gonna run across that wall over there. The one where the swings are? The one where the swings are. And, well, I'm gonna avoid getting bitten. Wish me luck.
Yo, I'm gonna make a run for it, B. Word! Counts to the air, that was fun. We're probably gonna do that again. Round 2. No, I hurt myself. Did it bite you? No. Oh, nice. Just hurt myself. Alright. Well, I was planning on bringing a BB gun on the second round, but sadly, Alright, look, this here is a pea shooter. And it didn't work 5 seconds ago, but apparently it does now. I'm gonna go jump into a yard full of chihuahuas again. Round 2, here we go. Yeah, this is a little oh, damn. You wouldn't believe how fucking fun this is. And I'm fat, so I'm getting a lot of exercise. Well, this is the end of the Whiteboy Chronicles. You had a wonderful time. Peace out.